Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday I have talked about that Sonogosera coupling reaction and Suzuki Mayara coupling reaction. They were the CC bond formation reaction. Here also one type of CC bond formation reaction, that is Stille coupling or Stille coupling reaction. What happen is there, we take any benzyl, allyl or any alkynyl bromide, okay, or benzyl bromide, or if we take any organogene compound like that, organotene compound like that, in presence of palladium 0 as a catalyst, we get the CC coupling reaction and this organotene compound as a side product. So what is the pathway of this reaction? The pathway of this reaction is exactly same as the Suzuki coupling or Sonogosera coupling reaction. Let's draw the pathway. Actually, the pathway of all the organometallic reaction is same. Same means first oxidative addition, then transmetallation, then reductive elimination. Okay, except the Heck coupling. I will talk about later the Heck coupling, but all the reaction excepting the Heck coupling, the mechanism is more or less same. Okay, let's draw the mechanism first. If we take the catalyst palladium 0 with some with ligand also there, two ligand, okay, and this is the reagent. First, what will happen? Oxidative addition. Okay. After oxidative addition, what is the fate? This will be the fate of the reaction. Fatty, and this one is Br, this one L, and this one L ligand. Then what will happen? Then simple transmetallation will there. Transmetallation means this was one of the reagent, SnBu3. After transmetallation, what will be the what will form? That is after transmetallation, what will form? Palladium will be there like that, pH, that is L and L, then this will form, and SnBu3 and Br. Okay, this will form after this transmetallation. After the transmetallation, what will happen? Reductive elimination means this group and this group will eliminate to give the final product, CH double bond CH. Okay, so this is the all about the Stille coupling. So this is to some extent means it is similar to the Suzuki Mayara coupling reaction, but it has some advantage and disadvantage over Suzuki Mayara coupling reaction. Let us see the toxicity means disadvantage of the reaction. See this organotene compound what we are using this using in this Stille coupling, that is organotene compound Bu3SN. This organotene compound is very much toxic in nature. So the researcher will not prefer to use this type of compound. Okay, and the water solubility very less water solubility. So due to the very less water solubility also, okay, the reaction is difficult to carry out. Okay, and another thing is that the advantage is that we have seen that in Suzuki Mayara coupling activation were needed by base, but here no activation is needed. And another thing is that a large number of group like CN group, NO2 group, okay, like acid group, like ester group, and even CHO group also can be protected. Means if the substrate contains this type of group also, the reaction can't affect this type of group. Okay, this is the main advantage of the Stille coupling reaction. And another more advantage and more easier to carry out the reaction, that is this reaction can be carried out in air medium. Okay, so these are the advantages of Stille coupling. And one more coupling reaction, CC bond formation reaction, that is I am going to talk, that is the Kumada coupling reaction. Kumada coupling. What happens is that if you take any organo magnesium compound, okay, X may be any halogen or any other group, And if we take that phenyl chloride or bromide in presence of nickel as a catalyst, like nickel Cl2 and DPPE or DPPP, any group, any ligand, 2, oh, sorry, not 2, and in presence of that, here also CC bond formation is there. See, CC bond formation is there. You know this compound name? This is styrene. This is styrene. S styrene. The last week, you know that in Visakhapatnam, some gas was leaked. This gas is that gas. Okay. Due to that gas, some people are died. Okay. This gas is styrene. This can be available in polystyrene form. In polystyrene form, it can be available. It was leaked from that industry of Visakhapatnam the last week. Anyway, now we are going to talk about that stereochemistry of this reaction. This is very small reaction. If we take like that compound, means if we take this MgX, or if we take that that is Cl in presence of nickel Cl2 or any ligand, okay, room temperature, if we use, then what will be the fate of the reaction? The fate of the reaction is that this. See, this is the trans, okay. Here are also trans. So the stereochemistry of the reaction is written. Stereochemistry of the reagent is not affected. Okay. So once you see that Kumata coupling, the first thing you have to keep in mind that here magnesium is used as a organometallic compound. Okay. So in exam point of view, you have to remember that in which reaction, which type of organometallic reagent is used. Like in Suzuki coupling, boronic reagent, boron and palladium. In Sonogashira, copper plus as a catalyst, and okay, and palladium as a catalyst, and copper plus as a co-catalyst. Okay. And Stille coupling, okay, Stille coupling you have to use the palladium 0 as a catalyst, and here in Stille coupling no activation is needed. So this, the comparison you have to remember in exam point of view. Okay. And after this completion of this organometallic reaction, I will talk about previous year question and different type of problems which will helpful in your exam point of view. Thank you for watching this video.